Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the GoPro Hero 4, released back in 2014. Now, I've had this camera roughly about 6 years now, and it's been with me ever since. I've taken this camera around the world in my camera bag, and it's captured some stunning images. Could I use a newer version? Sure, I could definitely use one. But if this camera works, hey, why not? Just keep using it till it breaks down, right? So I'm going to keep sharing with you more footage from this camera. If you guys have any comments, comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace.